how do you continue to put out regular content? Think about it. And my takeaway was that we get our own content from everyday conversations. So for example, I'm making this episode right now, and it's about having content, bringing out content from everyday conversations. Like he and I were not doing a podcast. He was, it was a discovery call, but it was just a regular old conversation. And now I'm going to, have another solo episode that is about these pull quotes and teasers and making sure they're the right length. I'm going to be able to also do one about the music volume and how do we make it the right level. I'll also be able to do one about feel, felt, found. I'll also be able to do one about the outro and triggering algorithms. And I'll also be able to do one about once a week. So I've got the episode that I'm doing now, plus 5 more episodes. And how did I do it? I was in a 40-minute conversation with one guy, and I just noticed a couple of things that he was working on, that he was struggling with, that he could have changed. And now I'm able to make 6 different episodes that are all like 5 minutes or 10 minutes long. So I was able to have a 40-minute conversation with one guy, and now I have about an hour's worth of content, AKA I've got 6 solo episodes. And the takeaway is it doesn't matter like what we're talking about, who we're talking to. We can be talking to our child. We can be talking to our best friend, our spouse, a partner, our business partner, our lover. We can be talking to a potential client. We could be talking to a current client. And we can just think about and listen through and watch for, that would be good for my listener. That would be good. And it only needs to be 5 or 10 minutes. And that's a huge benefit.